I'm gonna try to slowly play the game. Okay? Damn it. Hey, konnichiwa, konbanwa, hello, magandang araw, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever. That's a Shotgun Witch. Makikita nyo to sa Steam. Free to play. So, wala lang. I like Pixel. Demons have taken away your spellbook during your slumber. Without it, you no longer can continue your journey to master spellcasting. Okay. Our heroine now laid bare the only possession she has left. The clothes on her back. And her top of the line 12 gauge double barrel Remington for only $109.95 at Esmart. Nobody touches your. Why is it speaking? Okay, display. Okay. Oh. 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 I wasn't looking. Okay. No, that's so far. Okay. Ichibi. Come on. Wow, easy. Alright. So we can cancel out the ammo or the bullets thrown by these guys. Pinkies. So Shine. Ah! Okay, there's a reloading time, so got 2 shots every round. Can spawn kill this shit. Okay. Let's go, Pinky. Easy. Oh shit. Okay. Next round. Wacha! Wash! What? Okay. Okay. Easy. I don't want them to be extinct or whatever. Play again. Let's try the white shot. Bam! Okay. One kill. Oh. Okay. Oh! Oh, there's shift. Yeah, I forgot. There's dash. Okay. Dash. Remember the dash. Spawn kill. I did not. One kill. Shift though. Okay. Thanks. Easy. What is this? Yeah. Pro gamer move. Yes. You're the last one. Shine. Easy. No deaths. Oh. Okay. Oh. Ah, damn it. Okay. White shot. Boom. Spawn kill. Okay. What? Shift. I need to shift. Okay. Try dashing around. Okay. Bam. Shift. Bam. Shift. Okay. Easy. Okay, shift. Okay, okay, shift. What? Oh no. Hey, hey. Die already. Bam! Shish! Oh, oh, oh. Oh! Not waste our bullets. Okay, okay. One kill. One kill. Which is much better. So using wide shot would use the 2 gauge that you have. Yeah. Ahead. There you go. Timing of my aim is mother bad, dude. One at a time. One at a time, boys. What? Okay. And okay. Seems that I can move on to the next round. Okay. Die 10 times. Okay. I think this game was made. On kill. Ah. Okay. Yes. Clearly. Okay. 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 I'm trying to learn. Okay. So they change their direction. Okay. Spawn kill. Spawn kill these guys. It really didn't work. Die already, man. Eh. Hard. It's so hard. Tsukashina. Oh. Let's try getting those guys on the corner. Oh! Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, no, no. First. Yes. What? Didn't work. Ooh, double kill. Easy. 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 Didn't work. What the heck? Stop moving around, okay? Stop. Tips on how to not play this game, okay? Yeah. It's really easy to It's on, man. Okay, spawn kill. Clearly, these guys are very unforgiving. Okay. Diagonal. Okay. Straight line. Alright. Next. Okay. Spawn kill. Oh. Okay. We'll try to evade as much as Bullet a second. Okay, okay. If. Okay. Okay. Gonna get this. I'm gonna get this guy. Okay, okay, okay. Last round. Last one, last one. I'm just gonna spam this shit. Good, good, good. At last. Easy. Easy. No sweat. No sweat. Okay, spawn kill. Spawn kill. Hey, let's just spawn kill these motherfuckers. Spawn kill. Spawn kill. Ah. Oh. Spawn kill. Spawn kill. Oh, clearly, spawn kill works. You need to time this shit, okay? Okay! Okay, okay. I'm getting better. I'm getting better. Okay. Spawn kill. Spawn kill. Spawn kill. Oh yeah! Hold up. Oh, you can use space too. Okay. What? Oh, what? What? Oh, what? What? Oh, I'm being that. Oh, okay. Speed run. Gonna speed run this. Speed run. Bam. Yeah. Why the? Okay. Spawn kill. Spawn kill. Spawn kill. Okay, it didn't work. Directional. Okay. Diagonal. Okay. Vertical. Diagonal. Oh. Easy. Spawn kill. Ah, work. It didn't work. It didn't work. Hey! How the hell did you get good this game? Get good. Get good noob. Okay, okay. Spawn kill. So the first one would be the northeast west direction. Oh god, I didn't kill him. Is that? Do you need 2 shots for that? I don't know, freaking know. Bonk you. I know. I don't. I don't know. Okay, okay. Really good at this game. Don't worry. Speedrun. Okay, speedrun this motherfucker. Oh. Ah. Come on. Give your best shot, bro. Your best shot. Again. Nice. Oh. Oh. No. No. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Bonk you. Bonk you. Can't be overconfident with this game. I'm gonna try to slowly play the game. Okay? Damn it. Now. I'm gonna read all the moves. Try to learn as much as I can. We can beat this game. Speedrun. Okay. No. I don't know. This is a hard game. Clearly, this is a hard game. Simple? It's so much harder. And it looks. Come on. Brain work, okay? Please. work with me here. Okay, okay. Ooh. Hey. My golly. Okay. Last game. If I can't beat this, I'm gonna beat this.